Hey guys, thank you for staying on my channel. So in today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you what I do on my mobile phone, how I make that small money on my phone through cryptocurrencies. So if you're into cryptocurrency, this video is going to be very helpful to you. I'm not going to be so deep into the video. Maybe in subsequent video I'll be showing you bit by bit what I'm doing also in those sites. Now I'm just gonna go straight into the site. Now this is CoinPayu. I've dropped a video before on this CoinPayu. If you haven't seen it, you might need to check my video session and go through the CoinPayu. So now you can see this is my main balance Satoshi. As you can see that many coins that you get when you do this tax, they are paid in Satoshi, which is equivalent to your BTC coins. And now so this is what I do basically. What I come do is I come to Faucet Pay, and you can see that there are different coins that you can actually start mining on your CoinPayu. The ones I'm doing currently are this Tezos. You can see it's counting down 11 minutes already. I'm doing Near Protocol. I'm also doing Oasis Network, that's Rose and Cardano. And you have a host of others that you can do. When you come to this site, you can see there's so many, so many of them. And aside that, I come to this other one where you view ads. Just below that the dashboard, you can see view ads, soft ads. Because you can see I've done these ones already. I've done all the stacks already. They are just 2 pages. I've done all the stacks. Out of 19, I've done 18 soft ads. Okay. And if you don't like that, you can also do the window ads. You can see the window ads. I've done about 3 of them out of 4. You can see that. And if you don't like that, you can come to the article ads. There's nothing on the article session for now. So I do this. I also do this other one. I do Dogecoin. I actually get free Dogecoin every time on my phone, every 60 minutes. Now it's going to come up. So let me just show you this. So you tap on the free Dogecoin. Once you tap on the free Dogecoin, it brings you to the next page where you have to input some code to be able to get your Doge. You can see my Doge balance. See my Doge balance 0.191. So I've been doing it for a while. If you come to my earning history, you can see how many times I've withdrew my Dogecoin. You can see my earning history. So it's legit. Now I'm just going to click on that to refresh the security code. I'm going to tap in that now, KZMYW, and request. I already got Dogecoin, so I have 30 minutes left to claim another one. That's my Doge. That's what I do. Also, I also do the app.stormgain.com where you mine Bitcoin. You can see this is another one that gives you USDT. As you can see, I'm mining already. Now if you check my balance, I have gotten the first $10. Just let me show you this, my wallet. I've come to wallet. You can see my total balance. I have 10.06 USDT. Okay, 10.06 USDT in my balance. I got it from mining. Okay, and I'm mining another one. The reason why I did this is I wanted to be sure if this thing is working. So as soon as I got to 10, I think it was 10.10 USDT. So I said, let me just try it. And I did it, and they actually sent it to my balance. Okay, so I'm doing another one. I'm mining another one. You can see right there. So I'll go all the way. But if you're coming in with my link, you'll be given free 3 USDT initially to start mining with. Okay, so that's what you get. You get free 3 USDT, and then you can now continue mining. And you can buy if you want to. I'm not buying. I just want to mine. Okay, so that's that. This is another one I do. FaucetPay.io. You can see my balance. You can see I do this as well. Sometimes I come to play. I like the dash. I come to play this Um, Sometimes I come to play to get more, cryptocurrency. So you can see my dash. All I just need to do is okay. Let me not. Uh, I just click on this. Okay, so that's what I also do. Another one I do is I come to Wheel of Gold. Wheel of Gold is one site that I don't play with at all. I don't play with Wheel of Gold because here you get free USDT alone. Free USDT. I mean this Wheel of Gold is basically what you need right now. It's very good, and I also use this one, Payoff.video. This one, all you need to do is you just watch YouTube videos and you get paid straight up. You get paid straight up. You can see. Click on this. Let me show you this one now. I just have 20 seconds to watch this video. Okay, now it's counting down. You can see I've been credited, so I X this one, I check my balance, tax complete, and I get another one to watch. I just refresh. You can see it's adding up. So this is another one I do. Now this is another one I do, faucetcrypto.com. This site is one of my favorites, all right, because here I get everything crypto, you can start survey, you can do a whole lot of things on this site. You have a lot of things you can do on this site, a lot, and the benefit is huge. The benefit on this site is huge. So I'm going to be leaving link to all the sites I've just shown you. Let me claim this now. I'm going to be dropping a link to all the sites. Trust me, I have withdrawn from all the sites. I'm telling you, I've withdrawn straight into my Trust Wallet account. I've withdrawn, and it's legit. So it's not, it's legit and it's paying. Okay, it's paying. It's paying straight up. You just want to trust me with that. It's paying. Okay. Now, let me just go straight into my Trust Wallet so I can show you guys something. I've withdrawn out of it. So currently, this is what I'm having in my Trust Wallet. So I've withdrawn. These are some of the token. I've withdrawn some out of my Trust Wallet. So it's paying, guys. If you check my history, for these coins, you can see transfer, 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 transfer. You can see that's all from those sites, all from those sites, all from those sites. So you can even get free BNB. Now the good thing about this particular faucet crypto, you can get free BNB. For those you guys who like BNB, look at what they're offering. These are the coins that they have. You can see Binance Smart Chain is out of stock right now, but they usually refill it, so you can get free BNB, which is what I got here also. Okay, so I mean they are paying. Look at my Dogecoin transfer, transfer. You can see it's real, guys. So I'm not just boboing you guys. I'm not just faking it. All this is real. You can see my history. You can see I'm showing you my history. All right, so that's it about these videos. I hope this has been helpful to you guys. I'm going to drop in a link to everything, so subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Click on the link to start getting those to start mining Bitcoin and the likes. Thank you for watching. Until we meet next time.